Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Allstate Mobile how to cancel policy. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right off the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To cancel your Allstate insurance policy, what you need to do is first head over and open up your Allstate app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. You can also log in from your browser by heading over to the browser and then on the search bar typing in Allstate and then tapping on the first link that is shown to you. And once you tap on it, you will be sent to the home page of the Allstate, and on the top right you'll be getting that login option. Simply tap on it and then enter your username and password to access your account. And once you are logged into your account, navigate to the policies section where you will see a list of your active policies. Then select the policy you want to cancel, tap on the policy you wish to cancel, then look for an option like manage policy or cancel policy. If you don't see this directly in the app, it might be under the settings or under policy details. Then if cancellation is available directly in the app, follow the prompts. You may need to confirm your decision to cancel and provide reasons for cancellation. If you have any problems, you can contact customer support as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.